Alright, so a couple different things here. Alright. Okay, so what do we got going on here? I just did an unboxing on a kit from, I'll stop touching the table, otherwise the camera's going to jiggle. So I'm down here in Florida, and I have some footage, and actually I'm going to send the footage home, and I'm going to share that footage with you. I've been working on a diamond painting, and I'm going to go ahead and show that footage to you. And because I only work on it when I'm down here, and we're only down here for a week or two at a time, so I'm going to go ahead and show you some of that footage and run the footage. I'm going to work on it while I'm here, that sort of thing. Am I going to be able to finish it? No, I don't think so. Because I work on it while I'm here, and that sort of thing. And it's a Diamond Dotz. It is a Walmart painting. So I'm always impressed with what kind of Diamond Dotz stuff that they have at their Walmart here. And so I will show you here in this little area right here, because I have all this wonderful space here of the pictures that I took while I was in Walmart. My husband may come out here because he doesn't know what I'm up to. If he does, he'll pop right back in. Guaranteed. And I was going to buy, I have a couple of, I've got some footage of unboxing, and I will show that. I will post that to you, but they're kind of old, and I apologize for that. But anyway, going forward in what I just recently purchased, that sort of thing. So I have a funny story to tell you, and I've told this story before, and it's one of those stories that just, it's a funny story. But anyway, years and years ago, it's a diamond story. But anyway, I'll show you what I got here, and then I'll tell you the story. And I just painted my nails, so this should be interesting. Anyway, so on their display, and I'll show you the display here. They had the Diamond Dotz kits that you've seen me do when you've seen people unbox. But they had these cute little pouches, and they get these cute little hearts on them. So I bought one. But the story that I have to tell you, this will get you. So what comes in, when I seen this, I thought this would be a great way to introduce diamond painting to kids. There's not a whole lot here. There's 6 little hearts here, and there's the round diamonds in here. Let me open this up so you can see what it looks like. I might actually work on this while I'm down here. Just to show you. And there's how many? Oh, there's 21 colors. Wow, there's quite a few colors. So there's 21 colors. There's your guide. And here's all the, oh, look at all of them. Quite a few. The symbols are, I don't have my glasses on. Pretty easy to read. And they're only on one side, but it's just like a little makeup, jewelry, pouch like thing. But it's cute. And they'd be great for, there was only a couple of them on the display. But I was like, oh, how cute. But this would take you like, I don't know. I mean, I could do this on camera. It'd probably take, I don't know, a few hours to do. And I suppose you could seal this afterwards to make sure. I will say, when I did the purse that was like this, it was a little bit bigger. The diamonds did start to fall off after a while of being out and being bumped periodically. The diamonds did start to come off of the purse, and I finally quit carrying it around. But I would think that you would want to try to seal this, maybe put some type of a sealant over the top of it to see if you could get those diamonds to stay put a little bit longer. So yeah, you can see the cover. Oh, I want to know what else came with it. It has a little bit of wax and a pin, and that's it. So that's what comes with. Also, okay. So anyway, it stopped recording. So anyway, I thought it was a sucking pin. It's not. It's just a light pin. Anyway, so much for reading the instructions when I buy stuff. Anyway, so it's just a super LED comfort, accurate to use. That's interesting. It doesn't look like, and it's just a single holding pin, so you can't put multiple, so it's not like, it's not like one of these where you can put extra things in it, so you're stuck with just the one. So anyway, I suppose if you were wanting to work on something in the dark, that sort of thing, I don't know, might be interesting. Anyway, so I have an extra single pin. Sometimes, like when you're working with things like this, a single pin is nice because, as you can see on here, they're kind of, I don't know. You can use the multi-placer for these, but sometimes it's better to do a single placer when you're working with stuff like this. It just is. I know. I just like the single placer when you're working with, as opposed to like this sort of thing. These are awesome for the multi-placer type things. Yeah. I have it here. So I'm going to, I think, like I said, I might work on this while I'm down here. I really want to move and try to get some of that other thing done, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Work on this? Maybe? Anyway, we're only here for a little while, so I don't know. You guys are so quiet. Anyway, this would be cute to kind of keep extra, although I have my little, I've got this little case here I keep all of my stuff in. I know. Okay. So, what do I always tell you guys? Go out there. Be absolutely awesome. Do your thing, and I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.